what do you say to close for an appointment on that phone call? If this is a buyer, before you hang up with, let's say they gave you the criteria that they're looking for. They told you they want X amount of bedrooms and bathrooms in the areas that you want and price point. You ask them, hey, has anyone actually sat down with you to go over the buying process step by step to actually show you what that looks like? You want to get that appointment face to face before you hang up. I know the easy way is to send them properties and follow up with them. But at this point, they still haven't met you. They don't know what you look like, and you haven't developed any rapport yet. If we can get in front of them face to face sooner than later, you'll have a higher chance of converting that lead to work with you. These leads are most likely being contacted by other agents as well, and you want to be the one that stays out. Usually people will do business with the first person they meet or the first realtor they meet. You can say something like this: naturally, the next step is to schedule an appointment to go over X. Let's say if it's a buyer or a seller lead. Would afternoons or evenings work better for you? This is how you control the conversation. Would this day or that day works better for you? You're giving them options based on what you want them to choose, because the options that you're giving them, you're happy with whatever they pick from these two options. They usually pick one of those times that you offer them, versus if you leave it up to them, hey, when would you be available? Now you're no longer in control of that outcome.